Congratulations, class of 2025. If you've ever crafted a beautiful design in Canva and wanted to send it online to get RSVPs, then this tutorial is exactly what you need. We're going to dive into how you can achieve that today. With your graduations coming up in May-June 2025, it's the perfect time to learn. You might already be thinking about your graduation announcements, grad party invites, or even graduation dinner invites. In this video, we will guide you through designing a digital graduation invitation in Canva. Adding RSVP tracking using the CreatEcards app in Canva, sending a broadcast to all your guests via WhatsApp, and keeping track of their replies. Let's get started. First, head over to Canva's homepage and search for graduation invitation templates. Simply type in graduation invite. You'll see that Canva offers a wide variety of templates for different kinds of graduation events. Search for the template that fits your needs. There are nice ones for high school graduation invites, a graduation gala invitation, or a clean and elegant graduation party invite. I chose this particular one, which also happens to be a video invitation. Later, I'll show you how to embed this invitation, including its animations, into CreatEcards, so you can collect RSVPs with it. Once you've picked your template, it's time to personalize the details. Update it with your name, the date and time of your event, and of course, the location. Feel free to tweak things here. I've added a nice hat animation. You can also animate the text if you'd like. This template is already animated, but you can make further customizations if you wish. Let me show you how the animation looks, just like that. Now, it's time to sync this invitation into the CreatEcards app. With CreatEcards, you can ensure your e-invite webpage matches your Canva design style. This is how it will look on the page you send to your guests. I'll walk you through the process shortly. All right, let's go to the left panel, click on Apps. Search for CreatEcards and click on this app. The first thing you'll need to do is click on Create New to start a new invitation for your event. Then hit Sync Design down here. If you have multiple pages, remember you can sync up to 2 pages to CreatEcards, but I'll show you how to sync all pages, including animations. Let's hit Export. Now you can style your e-invite. You can change the colors around your invite, excluding your Canva design. Hit Style e-invite, then quickly choose colors that match your Canva design. I'll pick this color. And you can also adjust the background colors or add an image if you want. Decide how the banner will look. Feel free to change the text of the banner, and if you have a specific logo to upload, you can do it right here. You can later adjust the text color, shadow color, invite edges and shadow, button fill style, edges, and shadow. Okay, this should be good for now. I'll hit Preview Changes. Then I'll review my e-invite with the added style. Hit Looks Good, Continue. Now, if you want to enable video, music, or animations in your e-invite, this is the moment to do it. Enable it here, then paste in an HTML embed code. To do that, go to Share up here. Choose See More, then See All. Click Embed, and again, Embed. Copy the HTML embed code and paste it right here. Hit Continue. You can add a QR code to your invitation for printing purposes, or copy the link to send to your guests. But you can also do this later. Hit Continue. Lastly, save and continue to the CreatEcards website. After we've synced our invitation from Canva, the next step is to add all the event details on the CreatEcards website. To get started, I'll hit Continue, then choose Invitation right here, and confirm by selecting Create Invitation. Here, I'll ensure the RSVPs button is toggled on. I'll go ahead and add the host names and the event title. Next, I'll enter the country where the event will be held and set the correct time zone. I'll fill in the date and time of the event with an option to add an end time if needed. If this is an in-person event, I'll add location details by choosing the in-person option. I'll enter the address here. For non-US addresses, I can input them directly. For US addresses, it's best to format them using the specific input fields. You can also add a map link for easy access to Google Maps. Additionally, an Amazon registry link can be added directly into the graduation invite. I just need to drop the registry link here, allowing guests to gift instantly. I'll enter the registry name and its URL. The registry link will appear under the event details on the e-invite. Next, the guest RSVP settings can be adjusted. This includes allowing guests to bring additional guests with them, i.e., +1s. Options for meal preferences or event descriptions can be added. I'll skip that for now. Now, we can move to styling the graduation invitation page. As demonstrated in Canva, I can customize the appearance of my event's e-invite. While the Canva design remains unchanged, I can alter the theme color. I'll copy the hex codes from Canva. Let me show you. I'll copy this gold color from my invitation. Then I'll paste it here. You'll see it changed to the color I selected from Canva. I can also change the wallpaper color and any other buttons to fit my style. I'll revert it to black. The wallpaper goes back to gold, which I think suits this invitation best. This allows for complete control over the style. I can switch it up or add a personal logo or wallpaper behind all the boxes. Then I'll hit Next Publish. Here, I can change the e-card URL if needed by making simple adjustments. After hitting Save, the URL updates. The web page title can also be modified. When everything's set, I'll hit Publish to make the e-invite live. Here's what the invitation looks like for guests. My guests can experience the animation I created with Canva. Scrolling down reveals all the event details and the registry link, which is handy for my guests who are wanting to buy gifts. To RSVP, guests can click the button. They can enter their email address, hit Confirm, then Next. Then they will add their first and last name and select if they will attend. Next, guests choose whether they are an adult or a child. After hitting Continue, guests can add names for additional guests or confirm if they're attending alone. Guests can review the event details again and hit Next. Here, they'll be able to leave notes for me, their host, but only if they want to. There's also an option to receive event updates via email, simply by hitting OK. Once guests have RSVP'd, they'll see a reminder about the registry, which is an Amazon link on my invite. This makes it easy for them to choose a gift from the registry. And that's it. Now, I'm going to guide you through the process of sending your e-invite to guests using a broadcast on WhatsApp. A broadcast is different from a group chat. While a group chat allows everyone to see each other, a broadcast lets you send a message to multiple people, but each recipient will receive it privately. Let's get started with creating a broadcast list. First, open WhatsApp and look for the plus sign at the top of the screen. Tap on it. Next, select New Broadcast to begin forming a new list. Choose the contacts you wish to include. Once you've made your selections, tap Create to finalize your broadcast list. Now that you have your broadcast list ready, you can send a message containing a link to your e-invite. This allows everyone to receive it individually in their inbox. Now let's focus on managing your RSVPs via the CreatEcards dashboard. From the CreatEcards homepage, you'll have access to all your live invitations. To get to the dashboard for a specific invitation, simply navigate to View RSVPs and click on it. At the top, you'll find a summary that indicates how many guests have responded, those attending, and those not attending. Below, there's a summary list showing groups or families of guests who have responded. You can see if additional people will accompany each main guest. For instance, if Amelia has confirmed her attendance and plans to bring another adult, that is shown here in the green box. You can manually update/edit the guest list if your guests tell you directly about changes to their plans. You also have the option to download this list as a CSV file. This can be helpful for managing your guests on another platform or for sharing the list with someone else. Navigate to Guest List and Answers to view the entire list of names of those attending, including the +1s. This view also shows answers such as meal preference and if they are an adult or child. In this next tab, you can access guest analytics, including total replies and their percentage against your invited list. A message wall is also available, showcasing notes and messages left by your guests during their RSVP process. Additionally, there's an option to find and order party supplies from Amazon for your event. That wraps up the dashboard overview. In summary, Today we've designed an invite using Canva, synced it with the CreatEcards app, added event details on the CreatEcards website, and shared a link to our e-invite through a WhatsApp broadcast with all our guests. And that's it. Start creating your invite today using the CreatEcards app in Canva and effortlessly collect RSVPs from your guests.